tucked down here in the middle of taller plants is a peppermint plant, and was planted in a pot sunk in the ground to try to contain it, because the mints are notorious for just running like crazy. You can even see these that got very long and have touched the ground have started to make just the beginnings of little roots, and they would root here if I didn't do something to prevent that. So you can see this is already 8 inches outside the pot, and really it is prolific enough. I don't think you need to be ultra careful about how you prune it. It's really just a matter of containing it. Now, this that I have cut off, I do not think I'm going to put in the compost heap because it might take over. So either use it, make tea or whatever, or throw it away.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.